What happens when the guardians of truth become the purveyors of manipulation? Welcome to the covert world of Operation Mockingbird, a clandestine mission by the Central Intelligence Agency that forever altered the landscape of American journalism. In the early 1950s, the world was gripped by the icy tension of the Cold War. The CIA, always looking for ways to gain the upper hand, initiated Operation Mockingbird. This operation was a concerted effort to recruit journalists, editors, and publishers, turning them into tools for disseminating propaganda and countering the spread of communism. Within this operation, the CIA was not just an intelligence agency, it was a puppet master, pulling the strings of influential figures in the media industry. These figures were given exclusive access to classified information, lucrative career opportunities, and even financial incentives. In return, they promoted narratives that were aligned with the agency's objectives. These journalists, willingly or not, became the CIA's assets or witting collaborators. The Operation Mockingbird had a global stage. One of its primary objectives was to counter communist influence in foreign countries. The agency used its media contacts to plant stories, influence editorial decisions, and even orchestrate smear campaigns against perceived enemies. But the operation didn't stop at international borders. The CIA also sought to shape public opinion on domestic issues, ranging from national security to political elections. By infiltrating major news organizations, the CIA aimed to ensure its perspective remained dominant in the public discourse. However, even the most covert operations can't remain hidden forever. In 1975, the Church Committee, a Senate investigation into intelligence agency abuses, exposed the extent of the CIA's influence on the media. The public was outraged, and calls for reform echoed throughout the nation. Officially, Operation Mockingbird was discontinued in the 1970s, but its echoes can be heard even today in conversations about media manipulation, government transparency, and journalistic integrity. The revelations surrounding Operation Mockingbird serve as a stark warning about unchecked government power and the pivotal role of a free and independent press in a democratic society. In the end, Operation Mockingbird is a sobering testament to the power of media in shaping public opinion. It's a reminder that vigilance and skepticism are not just virtues, but necessities in evaluating news sources and preserving the integrity of journalism. The power to shape public opinion is a potent one, and Operation Mockingbird serves as a stark reminder of just how critical it is to keep this power in check.